Hello guys, it's JeffSX25 here, and I'm doing a unboxing for the Watch Dogs limited edition. I know I haven't done one in a while, so yeah, I'm doing this with one hand, guys. So sorry for the quality and sorry for the way I handle it. So here we go. I've got my trusty knife here, and we're gonna unbox this. First, I'm gonna show you guys the top. There's the top. You saw the front, even though it's kind of dark. Yeah. Here, I'll turn it around. Watch Dogs. It's on the side here. Limited edition with the logo. Back, we've got Aiden Pearce and the characters. Hacking is your weapon. Up here we have showing off the, alright, focus, is a CTS mobile companion app, the groundbreaking multiplayer, and there's open world. So yeah, let's unbox the Watch Dogs. Yeah, alright, here we go. I'm gonna try this with one hand, guys. Sorry for like screwing anything up. There we go. So first, we're gonna take this off. Give me 1 second. I'll try and do it like this. Hold on. Give me 1 second. Sorry guys, it has tape on the back, so on the bottom anyway. Just let's see how I can do this. I'm sorry guys, it's been a while. Oh. Here we go. That's one side. There we go, finally we can get this baby off. There goes the small cover. It's not easy to do this with one hand. Come on, almost there. There we go. So there you go, Watch Dogs. Now we're gonna pull this stuff out. Guys, just give me. It's not easy doing this. Oh, man. There we go. Okay. So, put that aside. Next thing is we've got Aiden Pearce figurine. I'm not gonna take it out of the box. I'll leave in there, but I'm gonna show you the detail on his phone. I'm sorry, that's the best quality I can get in his phone. And you know, he's got his gun. So yeah, Aiden Pearce figurine. Once more, cool figurine. All right, let's put that aside. Let's get on to the next stuff. Here we go. Go that way. Okay, right now we have this big box here. Got like a little monkey on it. On the other side is like a walking camera. That's pretty cool. Alright, let's open this up. Just flip this over. Alright guys, give me 1 second. Definitely does not want to come out. Maybe I have to open it from the other side too. Oh, got it. There we go. Okay. Now. There we go. Okay, first. Whoa. Get it out. There we go. We've got the art book. Steelbook came out. I'm going to show you this real quick. Sorry for the bad quality. Okay, so this is the art book. And we've got some pictures. All kinds of stuff. Watch Dogs related. If you want to get this, you can get it. I think it cost me around $130. Whatever. It's a really good art book. So, yeah, that's the front of the art book. That's the back. What does that say? Hacking is our weapon. We'll put that aside for now. Alright, before we get on to that, let's get on to this, which is probably going to be my favorite part. I think that's everything. Yep, in that box. This is the mask, the Watch Dogs mask. So, yeah, I'm going to try to, give me a second. Sorry about that. Alright, so look at the figurine one more time. That's the steelbook. We'll get there in a second. Just give me 1 second. Okay, guys. So yeah, this is the thing, the mask. I don't know how it looks, but that's it right there. I think it goes like this, maybe, or like this. I think, yeah, something like that, guys. So yeah, there's the mask. Put that over there, and then finally here, the last item. Got the steelbook, which actually feels really nice. It's really bright. And really nice. It just feels real nice in the hand. It's the first steelbook I've ever owned. So let's open up the final bit. There we go. So little thicker things for Watch Dogs. So here we go. We've got the Watch Dogs game. Now this is for 360 if you already haven't seen. That is the disc 2, the game disc, and here is disc 1. The installation disc. Huh. I thought that was supposed to be the music. Well, if that's the game disc, then where's the music disc? Oh, there it is. There's the music disc. Little sneaky, huh? So there's the in-game digital soundtrack for Watch Dogs. And, so yeah. That's pretty much it for Watch Dogs, guys. For the Xbox 360. Just everything you see here. Pretty much. Hold on, let me get this out of the way. So yeah, that's the collector's edition. I hope you liked this video. I tried. I haven't done a video on this forever on my device. So, thanks for watching, and if you want to see some videos, 2 months in August, I'm going to be getting a PS4, so I'll be doing some gameplay of PS4 games. I won't be doing any gameplay for this game, because I don't have the right equipment at the time. So, yeah, but if you do want to watch any of my other videos, I don't really have much right now. But I will have some in the near future. I'll be on Twitch in August, hopefully. So I will catch you guys later. And And yeah, so give it a thumbs up, give it a like. You can comment, please. Comments are acceptable. And subscribe if you want to. I appreciate subscribes. I only have one at the moment. I would like to get some people to watch some more of my videos. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed. And this is JeffSX25, and I'm signing off, and I'll see you guys next time.